We all know and love a good loaded sweet potato, but today I'm taking it up a notch and making a complete meal with this buffalo chicken loaded sweet potato. This is one recipe you don't want to miss, especially because the slow cooker does all the work. If you've been hanging around here for some time and know how I feel about all things buffalo, especially my slow cooker buffalo chicken. It is so simple to make and I use it for pizza, tacos, quesadillas. Did you check those out? Salads, and now stuffed sweet potatoes. And if you're looking for a healthy meal, you'll find it in this recipe. It's made with all real and fresh ingredients, including my homemade ranch, not to mention how easy it is to put together. This is one of those recipes you can prep entirely ahead of time by baking the potatoes days before and storing them in the refrigerator. So let's get this party started. I'm going to start on the homemade ranch with my easy jar recipe. All you have to do is combine the mayonnaise, milk, chopped parsley, a little dried dill, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper for good measure. Place the lid on, seal, and shake to combine. I promise that the homemade version is so easy and so much more delicious. It also keeps in the fridge for up to 5 days and it makes everything taste amazing. Next, I'm going to slice each cooked sweet potato lengthwise. Open it and, using a fork, lightly fluff the center. This makes it so much easier to load up with toppings. I have some warmed reserve buffalo chicken, which I'm going to place right on top of my sweet potato. If you want to see how this buffalo chicken is made, check out this video and I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. Then we're gonna add a drizzle of that homemade ranch, sprinkle some blue cheese and green onions. Every bite grabs a bit of that sweet potato with the cooked buffalo chicken and of course, my favorite, the blue cheese crumbles. Did you know that I have an entire playlist dedicated to buffalo sauce everything? Make sure to check that out. Then hit that red subscribe button. I've got something new for you every single week.